Be your own money manager. Hi everyone, my name is Anthony Kayanan, a financial educator and a member of International Marketing Group. Why you are here? You want to be your own money manager. Bakit importante ito? Marami sa atin ang nagtatrabaho parang walang natitira sa sinasahod natin. Parang walang nangyayari. Yung tipong kakasahod mo pa lang, ubos na. That is why gusto mong ma-manage ito ng mabuti. It is important to know na as we grow older, dapat you have your own financial stability. The solution, you should be financially educated. You should have financial goals. As early as now, we need to plan for it. By having the right information and consistently save and invest your hard-earned money dun sa mga investments that will help you as you grow older. But before you can invest, you need to fully understand how money works. Hindi mo ito pwedeng iasa kung kani-kanino lang, di ba? And our mission is to provide financial education to 1 million families by 2020. We have a very challenging future. At marami sa atin are not even aware that we are facing these challenges. First is uncertain labor market. Through automation or powerful software, marami sa atin ang pwedeng mawalan ng trabaho anytime. Kasi, ang trabahong ginagawa natin ngayon, baka kaya na pala ng isang makina or software. Ino-automate nila yung labor. And at the same time, nakakasave ang company. Kasi, makina na yung nagtatrabaho for them. Ang resulta, magtatanggal sila ng empleyado nila to save more money. Second, low savings and high debt. Karamihan sa atin halos walang savings at marami pang utang. Resulta, kahit gusto mong mag-retire at the age of 60 or 65, magtatrabaho ka pa rin to sustain your needs. Number 3, the high cost of education. Ito yung madalas hindi natin napaghahandaan. Every year, may tuition fee hike na nababalitaan tayo sa TV. Paano na lang after 10, 15, 20 years, magkano na kaya magpaaral sa college? Isa ito sa dapat nating paghandaan para sa mga anak natin. The next one is increasing cost of living. As we grow older, tumataas yung presyo ng bilihin. And people have difficulty in saving money for their future needs. Tendency, pag hindi nila naabot yung mga pangangailangan nila or hindi nila na-sustain, uutang sila sa ibang tao. And even if you are living in one of the wealthiest countries in the world, like US, Canada, Australia, many people may still retire poor because they are not financially educated. Wala silang financial literacy. We need to take control of our future. Hindi natin ito pwedeng iasa sa iyong employer, sa gobyerno, simbahan, sa union, or sa bangko, at sa broker, lalong-lalo na sa mga anak natin, which in the future, may kanya-kanya silang mga priorities. You alone is responsible for your future. It's in your hands. Marami sa atin know how to make money. Nagbi-business, nagtatrabaho, pero konti lang yung talagang nagsisave efficiently. And a small percentage lang ng mga nagsisave don't even know how to accumulate money out of the savings. They simply don't know how to invest. Of course, we need to protect our wealth for the next generation. Ito yung tinatawag na asset preservation. In reality, pwede pala nating matutunan ang mga ito. You just have to start now by becoming your own money manager. Understand how money works, make money work for you. You can build up a strong financial foundation. Kagaya lang ito ng paggawa ng mga buildings or bahay, inuuna yung foundation para maging matatag yung structure. So same with our finances, so we need to build a strong foundation. First, we need to have proper protection on life. So if you become sick or you became disabled, that is your foundation. That will take care of your loved ones. Hindi sila problema pagdating ng panahon na hindi mo kayang kumita para sa kanila. Manage your debt or reduce liability. Marami sa atin di pa sumasahod ginagastos na. Paano? Inuutang para makabili ng gusto nila, then sa sahod nila babayaran. We need to manage our debt or your debt will control your life. Emergency fund, may mga bagay na hindi natin inaasahan mangyayari. Kailangan mong mag-build ng emergency fund 3 to 6 months na equivalent sa mga expenses mo. Mawalan ka man ng trabaho or magkasakit ka, bumagyo, meron kang huhugutin. You need to think 10, 15, 20 years from now because as you grow older, hindi mo na kayang magtrabaho. You need to start paying for yourself for your future needs para ma-enjoy mo naman ang iyong retirement. Start building up your savings and investments. In conclusion, you need to have proper protection, manage your debt, have an emergency fund. That's the only time you can save and invest for your future. There is a new world of possibilities, the era of informed consumer. Why? Because we are in the information age. This is the era kung saan yung information are readily available immediately. Kahit saan, pwede kang kumuha ng information. Google, Yahoo, over the internet. Because of this, more and more people are learning how to get better deals para makasave and at the same time, makakuha ng mga magagandang products and services na ginagamit nila. For example, dun sa mga membership card natin, kagaya ng SM Advantage Card, Suki Card, and even sa mga membership sa gym. So, magbabayad ka ng membership to get full access dun sa mga equipment na ginagamit nila sa gym. IMG is a new concept in the financial industry that assists people who want to help themselves in building their financial foundation. Marami na po ang nag-benefit being an IMG member, regardless of your status, gender, kung anong natapos mo. As an IMG member, you will enjoy these amazing benefits. You'll get educated on all aspects of personal finance, have access to hundreds of financial products and services, kung saan mo gustong mag-invest, and receive training and support to manage your finances or money. Save money on various products and services. Plus, we have business ownership program that you can avail. Once you become financial professional, you can represent multiple financial products and services and earn additional income. You can actually learn and at the same time earn in the financial industry. Do you know how money works? Let me introduce to you the X-curve concept. Literally, X siya. Makikita mo, black and green. The first curve is your income line. The black curve is the responsibility line. Yung kabataan mo, marami kang responsibility. Kaya generally, less secured siya. You're responsible for your house, for tuition fees, gamot, pagkain, etc. So, pagtanda mo, dapat yung responsibility line mo bumababa. Kasi you are not capable of working to sustain for your needs. Diba? Nung kabataan mo, you are building wealth. And pagtanda mo, you are enjoying what you have invested nung bata ka pa. So, more secured ka pagtanda mo. Ano bang ginagawa ng mga mayayaman na hindi ginagawa ng mga ordinaryong tao? Alam nila kung saan ilalagay yung pera nila. Alam nila kung ano yung investment, nakikita yung pera nila. Dito pumapasok yung magic of compounding interest. Meron tayong tinatawag na the rule of 72. Ang Rule of 72 ay inimbento ni Albert Einstein para daw ma-identify mo kung kailan daw doble yung perang sinave mo or ininvest mo, kailangan mong i-divide yung 72 sa interest of return kung saan mo nilagay yung pera mo. For example, nilagay mo yung pera mo dun sa 4% interest. Yung pera mo, dodoble every 18 years. So, if you are 29, meron ka 100,000. At the age of 47, 200,000 na siya. And at the age of 65, you have 400,000. Enough ba yun to sustain your basic needs during your old age? Maybe not. Let's see 8%. On 8%, your money doubles every 9 years. At the age of 65, you have 1.6 million. Would that be enough for your needs? Maybe not. Try 12%. Your money doubles every 6 years. Dito, nilalagay ng mga mayayamang tao ang pera nila. Their money doubles every 6 years. So for example, you have 100,000. At the age of 65, you have 6.4 million. Maybe enough na to sustain your needs. And habang nai-invest siya doon sa malaking interest, nag-accumulate siya ng money. So, compare mo, yung difference nung dalawa, 4% and 12% is 6 million. So, imagine kung sa bank ka nag-invest. Di ba? You only have less than 1%. Let's say 1% na siya. 72 divided by 1. Every 72 years, nagdodoble yung pera mo. Ilang beses mo maaabot yung 72 years sa buhay natin? Isa, maybe hindi mo pa maabot yan. You need to identify kung saan ka mag-i-invest. Kailangan mo siyang pag-aralan. That's the benefits of being an IMG member. Tuturuan ka on where to put your money. Imagine 6 million na wala sa pera mo. Diba? That's the cost of not being financially literate. Equivalent sa 20-year salary ng isang tao na sumasahod ng 25,000 per month. 10-20 rule, you may need at least 10% of your income to properly protect your family. Kailangan mo ng at least 20 times of your income to have enough retirement. For you to do this, you have to follow the abundance formula. 10%, bibigay mo siya kay God. 20%, bibigay mo sa sarili mo for your future. And whatever is left, pagkakasyahin mo siya for your basic needs. Ito po yung tinuro sa amin ni Brother Bo Sanchez, yung paggamit ng abundance formula. Do you know about savings and investments? Do you know how mutual funds work? Do you even realize na yung interest ng savings mo is currently too low to offset inflation and taxes? That you are most likely losing your money every day. Kinakain ng inflation yung value ng money mo. People will face the problem of living a long life without an adequate income. It's your responsibility to be financially literate. With understanding and proper preparation, you can build up your future retirement. Do you know about life insurance? Alam mo ba yung difference ng iba't ibang klase ng insurance? Meron ka bang insurance sa work mo at alam mo ba kung paano ito nag-work? Alam mo ba yung method on how to calculate yung insurance? Kung insurable ka ba or uninsurable? Then alam mo ba na maraming advantages ang life insurance pagdating sa tax? And isa ka ba sa mga tao na kumukuha ng insurance and put the policy in the cabinet and never looks at it? Before po ako naging member ng IMG, hindi ko po pinapansin yung insurance. Bukod sa mahal, and hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung importance nito. With IMG, we have the access doon sa pinakamurang insurance dito sa Pilipinas. And malalaman mo kung ano yung mga coverage ng insurance. You can learn how to properly protect your family. Do you know about long-term care? What if you live too long? Healthcare is the most neglected savings and is the number one cause of bankruptcy. Marami sa atin nagtatrabaho pa tayo. Meron tayong HMO, meron tayong PhilHealth, pero pag nag-resign na tayo sa company or pag nag-retire na tayo, hindi natin madadala yung HMO. Hindi rin natin pwedeng iasa yung healthcare natin sa PhilHealth kasi small portion lang ng hospital bills ang sinoshoulder nila. Long-term care provide you healthcare when you retire or when you stop working. You can actually prepare for your golden years. Don't expect the government or your children to take care of you if you live too long. Do you know about the high cost of education? Alam mo ba kung paano i-compute yung college educational fund ng iyong mga anak? Dito sa IMG, tuturuan ka mag-compute. Kasama na sa computation yung inflation rate na 6% at yung taong-taong pagtaas ng tuition fee. Matututunan mo rin kung saan investment facilities pwedeng ilagay yung savings mo to grow your money. Kailangan natin itong paghandaan. Take charge of your children's future. Protect your future. Do you know that without proper planning, your assets and family may not be protected? Bakit? Without proper planning, o yung tinatawag nating estate planning, sino yung magte-take charge ng mga iniwan mong properties? Dito sa IMG, tuturuan kang gumawa ng estate planning to protect your assets and your family. Marami kasing family na nag-aaway-away dahil sa mga properties na iniwan. And may mga instances pa na yung government yung nagte-take over dun sa mga properties na iniwan dahil wala kang last will na ginawa. So kung marami kang investment, marami kang bank accounts, marami kang properties, sino-sino yung makikinabang dito? Sino-sino yung mga mabibigyan? It's good to have your wishes documented so they can be carried out. Become an associate member of IMG to enjoy these amazing benefits. Get unlimited and lifetime access dun sa financial education workshop. Kasama dito yung how to increase your cash flow, how to manage your debt, how and where to invest. Kasama din dito yung financial check-up. It's important na mag-financial check-up ka every year kasi nag-iiba-iba yung financial status mo every year. And then, yung asset preservation services. Ito yung sinasabi kong estate planning kanina. You'll get to have discounts from real estate companies and various financial products and services. And save money on car and home insurances. In short, may discount ka dun sa mga various financial products and services. You'll get to have access to health products and services, access to life products and services, access to investment or retirement products. So in IMG, tuturuan ka muna kung ano yung mga products na ito. Importante na malaman mo muna kung ano yung mga products na ito before ka mag-invest dito. And get accredited with various financial products and services. You can build a business in the financial industry and opportunity to travel the world. Yung last 3 benefits na sinabi ko, ito yung business ownership program ni IMG wherein tuturuan ka on how to be financial expert and do this as your business to earn income. At dahil IMG member ka, you bypass the middleman. Yung commission dapat ng broker, magiging discount mo na. And at the same time, magkakaroon ka ng commission dun sa mga financial products provider. At dahil global si IMG, it's a global company, you have an opportunity to travel the world. Access to major providers. IMG is a one-stop shop for financial products and services. Wala pong sariling product si IMG. It serves as a financial school that provides financial education sa mga tao. So if you want to invest, hindi po kayo kay IMG mag-i-invest. Doon sa mga financial services providers ni IMG. At ito po yung mga providers ni IMG. For healthcare, we have Kaiser. Life insurance, we have Philam Life. Sa investment naman, mutual funds, marami tayong pagpipilian. And for real estate, yung mga major real estate companies, doon sa general insurance, ito po yung pagpapa-insure ng mga cars, bahay, fire, accident, etc. And for asset preservation services, andyan po si APS IMAX for Allied Financial Services. So for example, you want to invest dun sa Kaiser, diretso ka na. Hindi mo na kailangan dumaan sa agent. And you can do it on your own. Same din dun sa mga other partner provider ni IMG. Dun sa mga life insurance, investment, real estate, you can bypass the middleman. Ito yung major benefits ni IMG dun sa kanyang mga members. You can actually be your own money manager. Start learning by joining us and be part of 1 million financially educated families by 2020. And start to build your wealth and take control of your future. To know more about the IMG membership, you can email me at pinoyfinancialmentor@gmail.com. You can also register to our free financial workshop to learn more. Just fill out the form below so we can reserve seats for you. I hope you learned a lot from this video and thank you for watching. Once again, this is Anthony Kayanan, your financial educator.